All right, so today, move number 4 in the 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. Check this out. This is important. Buy properties where there is a plethora of comparables. And notice I said a plethora, not one. Too many times, people send me deals and they're like, check the comps, and there's one. The problem is there's just one. And it's hard to get a comparable sales price when you have just one comparable. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's pretty tough to pull off because appraisers, when they go to appraise your flip to their for the buyer, who's most of the time getting lending, they're going to want multiple comparables, okay? And then they're going to have to start going farther out and this, that, and the other, and that becomes a problem. Or sometimes you'll have a property and there's 3 comparables, but the problem is one of those comparables is like your, let's say, a ranch house that you just remodeled, but the second one is like some weird A-frame that you're like, I don't know where that came from, but hey, it's sold. And then the third one is a contemporary house that's maybe decked out to the max, whereas you're just doing a simple remodel on a traditional ranch home. So yeah, you got 3 sales, but only one of them really counts. Okay, these are problems you don't want to be getting involved in for your first flip. You want something easy, clear as day, and that makes sense to your buyers. And by the way, not just makes sense to your buyers, but makes sense to your buyer's realtor. Don't forget the realtor. I have seen more than a few realtors kill deals because it didn't make sense to them, even though their client liked the house. This is a problem. You're actually trying to convince 2 people to move forward with buying your house. So make it easy for it to make sense to them. How? Pick simple deals that have lots of like comps so that people don't have to think hard. Let's face it, we have AI in the world. People are doing less thinking than ever, it seems. So you got to counter that by making it super simple. Okay. And that will help you immensely at getting 30K in your first deal. So with that, we'll see you in the next video.